Let's do some meal prep. Today I'm making some Greek pita bowls. As always, this is a protein-packed meal. I will list the calories and macros at the end. I'm going to get my rice going first. This was just 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water, half of a tablespoon of turmeric, and 1 basil leaf. Now I'm going to dice up all my veggies. I'm doing 2 Roma tomatoes, which was 240 grams total, 100 grams of red onion, 1 large cucumber, which was 170 grams. I got this awesome vegetable chopper on Amazon. I know somebody will ask. I also barbecued some chicken thighs. I'm going to dice these up. I need 25 ounces total. The rice is all ready. It's time to fill the containers. I'm doing 4 ounces, which is about half a cup of rice in each container, 5 ounces of cooked boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I'm dividing up my diced vegetables evenly into each container, 2 tablespoons of hummus in each one, a little bit of paprika, 20 total grams of fat-free feta cheese, 2 Kalamata olives, and it's complete. I like to take this to work and eat it cold. I'm gonna slice up some pita bread. This is up to you. It's not included in the calories or the macros. I put it in my fridge and I am ready for the 5-day work week.